2025 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.